The hardest part of video isn't creating the content, it's making it truly connect with your audience. Pictory's AI Studio helps you create the right visuals, the right face, and the right voice that resonates with the viewer.
Are you ready? Let's check it out.
With AI Studio, you can generate custom video clips, animate still images, and bring in expressive avatars.
All powered by advanced generative AI.
Type what you need, pick a style, and generate images that match your vision instantly. Set your ideas into motion with short video clips tailored to your scene. And when your story needs a face, add an on-screen AI avatar that narrates your script.
AI Studio fits right into your project flow,
turning your ideas into scenes that connect
and make your message stick.
From training videos to product explainers, AI Studio helps you transform concepts into content and tell stories that feel more human. Try AI Studio today and create content that connects with Pictory.